Important safety precautions to take when handling hot oil. Always wear your PPE. Let's review all the products needed to install your Masterfill filter. Filter pan, riser suction tube, filter insert screen, Masterfill filter, compression cap, 10-inch clip with handle, master scoop. Next is the installation process. Slide the new filter onto the screen. Take the compression cap and screw down securely. Fold the Masterfill fabric filter flap toward the bottom of insert screen. Secure with the 10-inch clip on folded flap. Place filter assembly into filter pan. The riser suction tube slides onto the compression cap and the bracket on the filter pan. Slide filter pan into fryer. Cleaning the Masterfill filter is a key step for success and an easy task to complete. First, you slide the filter pan out from the fryer. Disconnect riser suction tube. Take the master scoop and scrape filter at a 90-degree angle, scraping debris to one side. Once the filter is scraped, scoop all debris and dispose. Ensure the bottom side of the filter is also scraped. Reconnect riser suction tube and slide filter pan back into fryer. It is important to remember Masterfill filters last for 7 days. Discard Masterfill filter, clean and dry pan, and install new filter. Scrape filter twice a day to extend oil life, and do not get filter wet.